So Sexy Red is out here shopping for some new drip with her friends. The rapper is out here going through some new sneakers, clothes, and even baby strollers. Let's check it out.
I'm getting both. They both for it. The green hidden though. You talk about the pink.
I ain't seen that look.
Nah, pink too for sure. Cause you know I be wearing pink all the time. So I.
You have a jacket to match that.
A jacket. I want this. My baby need this. You know this motherfucker car.
It is on game.
I want it. Versace would do some head on me like I'm the money. See you doing none.
I scanned this already, so if you couldn't censor for me.
It's online, right? Yeah. Oh, wait, it says returned already.
No.
Oh, okay.
They're the only items I did return already.
Oh, I see it.
Big man. That's my boy. Yep. Is you good? You still can punch with that left hand? You still can punch with that left? I'm scared. I'm scared of him. I love the flea market. I love it. I love it. Chappelle. Wait, what the back of the shirt say? There, girl, hold on, can y'all see? There you go. There. Girl,
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.